Outsourcing is a smart way for online business managers to get help with tasks. It allows them to focus on what really matters while others handle the details. In this video, we will explore how to outsource effectively, from picking the right tasks to finding the best partners. By following these strategies, you can make outsourcing work for you and your business. Here are the key takeaways in this video. 1. Outsourcing helps online business managers save time and focus on important tasks. Number 2. Not all tasks are good for outsourcing. Choose wisely based on your needs. Number 3. Finding the right partners is key. Ask the right questions before hiring. Number 4. Clear communication is essential. Set expectations and check in regularly. And number 5. Quality control matters. Keep track of work and address any issues quickly. So first is understanding the importance of outsourcing. So, why outsourcing is crucial for online business managers? Outsourcing is a game changer for us as online business managers. By delegating tasks, we can focus on what truly matters, growing our business. It allows us to tap into a wider pool of talent and resources, which can lead to better results. So, what are the benefits of delegating tasks? When we delegate tasks, we enjoy several benefits. Number 1, increased efficiency. We can get more done in less time. Number 2, cost savings. Hiring freelancers or virtual assistants can be cheaper than full-time employees. And number 3, focus on core activities. We can concentrate on strategic planning and decision-making. So, what are the common misconceptions about outsourcing? Many people think outsourcing is only for big companies, but that's not true. Here are some common myths. Number 1, outsourcing is too expensive. Number 2, it leads to loss of control. And number 3, only low-skilled tasks can be outsourced. Outsourcing is not just about cutting costs, it's about enhancing productivity and achieving better outcomes. In summary, understanding the importance of outsourcing helps us make informed decisions that can lead to significant improvements in our business operations. By recognizing the benefits and addressing misconceptions, we can effectively leverage outsourcing to our advantage. Hiring skilled virtual assistants can free up our time and boost productivity, allowing us to focus on growth and success. Next is identifying tasks suitable for outsourcing. First is assessing your business needs to effectively outsource. We first need to understand our business needs. This means looking at what tasks take up our time and which ones can be done by others. By identifying these tasks, we can focus on what truly matters. Second, tasks that can be easily outsourced. Some tasks are easier to hand off than others. Here are a few examples. Number 1, administrative tasks like scheduling and email management. Number 2, social media management to keep our online presence active. And number 3, content creation for blogs or newsletters. Lastly, prioritizing tasks for outsourcing. Not all tasks are created equal. We should prioritize based on number 1, time consumption. Which tasks take the most time? 2, expertise required. Are there tasks that need special skills? And number 3, impact on business. Which tasks affect our goals the most? Outsourcing is not just about saving time. It's about making sure we are working on the right things to grow our business. Next is choosing the right outsourcing partners. First is evaluating potential partners. When we look for outsourcing partners, we need to evaluate their skills and experience. So, here are some key points to consider. Number 1, check their previous work and client reviews. Number 2, ask for references to understand their reliability. Number 3, ensure they have experience in our specific industry. Second, questions to ask before hiring. Before we make a decision, we should ask potential partners some important questions. 1. What is your process for handling projects? 2. How do you communicate with clients? And number 3, can you provide examples of similar projects you've completed? Lastly, red flags to watch out. For while searching for the right partner, we must be aware of certain warning signs. If we notice any of these, it might be best to look elsewhere. 1. Lack of clear communication. Number 2, unwillingness to provide references. And 3, overly low pricing that seems too good to be true. Choosing the right outsourcing partner is crucial for our success. We must take our time to find someone who aligns with our business goals and can deliver quality work. In summary, finding the right outsourcing partner involves careful evaluation, asking the right questions, and being alert to any red flags. By doing this, we can ensure a successful partnership that helps our business grow. Next is implementing effective communication strategies. First is setting clear expectations. To make outsourcing work, We need to set clear expectations from the start. This means explaining what we want and how we want it done. When everyone knows their role, things run smoother. Here are some key points to consider. 1. Define specific tasks and deadlines. 2. Share the desired outcomes and quality standards. And 3. Make sure everyone understands their responsibilities. Second, utilizing communication tools. Using the right tools can help us stay connected and organized. Some popular tools we can use include Zugger 1, Slack for instant messaging, Zugger 2, Trello for task management, Zugger 3, Zoom for video calls. These tools help us keep track of progress and communicate easily. Lastly, regular check-ins and feedback. Regular check-ins are essential to ensure everything is on track. We should schedule 1. Weekly meetings to discuss progress. 2. Monthly reviews to assess performance. And 3. Open channels for feedback at any time. By keeping communication open, we can quickly address any issues that arise and keep our projects moving forward. Next is ensuring quality and accountability. First is establishing performance metrics. To ensure that our outsourcing efforts are effective, we need to set clear performance metrics. These metrics help us measure how well our partners are doing. Here are some key metrics we can use. 1. Timeliness. Are tasks completed on time? 2. Quality. Is the work meeting our standards? 3. Communication. Are updates and feedback being shared regularly? Second, monitoring progress and deliverables. We should regularly check in on the progress of outsourced tasks. This helps us catch any issues early. We can use tools like project management software to track deliverables. Here's a simple checklist we can follow. 1. Review task completion dates. 2. Assess the quality of the work. And 3. Provide feedback to our partners. Lastly, handling issues and conflicts. Sometimes, problems may arise with our outsourcing partners. It's important to address these issues quickly. Here are steps we can take to resolve conflicts. 1. Communicate openly. Discuss the problem directly with the partner. 2. Find a solution together. Work collaboratively to fix the issue. 3. Document everything. Keep records of conversations and agreements. By focusing on quality and accountability, we can build strong partnerships that benefit our business. This approach not only enhances our productivity, but also fosters trust with our outsourcing partners. Next is maximizing the benefits of outsourcing. First is cost-effective outsourcing solutions. Outsourcing can be a smart way to save money while still getting quality work done. By hiring outside help, we can often find affordable solutions that fit our budget. Here are some ways to ensure we get the best value. 1. Compare prices from different providers. 2. Look for freelancers or agencies with good reviews. And 3. Consider long-term contracts for better rates. Second, leveraging expertise and skills. When we outsource, we can tap into the special skills of others. This means we can focus on what we do best while letting experts handle other tasks. Here's how we can leverage their skills. 1. Identify tasks that require specialized knowledge. 2. Research potential partners with proven experience. 3. Build a team that complements our strengths. Lastly, scaling your business with outsourcing. Outsourcing allows us to grow our business without overloading ourselves. By delegating tasks, we can take on more clients and projects. Here's a simple table to show how outsourcing can help us scale. For marketing, task type, in-house cost is $2,000. The outsourced cost is $1,200. Savings is $800. For customer support task type, in-house cost is $1,500. The outsourced cost is $900. Savings is $600. For content creation task type, in-house cost is $1,000. The outsourced cost is $600. Savings is $400. By outsourcing, we can focus on building and maintaining client relationships and ensure we deliver the best results. In conclusion, maximizing the benefits of outsourcing is about making smart choices. By being strategic, we can save money, use expert skills, and grow our business effectively. Next is legal and ethical considerations in outsourcing. First is understanding legal requirements. When we think about outsourcing, it's important to understand the legal rules that apply. Each country has its own laws, and we need to make sure we follow them. Ignoring these laws can lead to serious problems. Here are some key points to consider. 1. Know the laws in your country and the country of your outsourcing partner. 2. Check for any contracts that need to be signed. And 3. Understand tax obligations and employment laws. Second, ensuring data security and privacy. Data security is a big deal when we outsource. We must protect our customers' information. Here are some steps we can take. Number 1, use secure communication tools. Number 2, make sure our partners have strong data protection policies. And number 3, regularly review how data is handled. Lastly, maintaining ethical standards. We should always aim to work with partners who share our values. This means, number 1, treating workers fairly and paying them well. Number 2, avoiding companies that exploit their workers. And number 3, being transparent about our outsourcing practices. By keeping these legal and ethical considerations in mind, we can build a strong foundation for our outsourcing efforts. When thinking about outsourcing, it's important to consider the legal and ethical issues involved. Companies must ensure they follow the laws and treat workers fairly. If you're curious about how to navigate these challenges, visit our website for more information and resources. In conclusion, outsourcing tasks is a smart move for online business managers. By knowing what to delegate and choosing the right people to help, you can save time and focus on what really matters. Remember to communicate clearly and check in regularly with your team. This way, you can ensure everything runs smoothly. With these strategies, you can grow your business and achieve your goals more easily. Frequently asked questions. Number 1, what is outsourcing and why is it important for online business managers? Outsourcing means hiring other people or companies to do certain tasks for you. It's important for online business managers because it helps them save time and focus on bigger goals. Number 2, how can I decide which tasks to outsource? You can look at what tasks take up a lot of your time or what you're not good at. If there are things that others can do better or faster, those are good candidates for outsourcing. Number 3, what should I look for in an outsourcing partner? When choosing someone to outsource to, check their experience and reviews. Ask them questions about their work style and make sure they understand your needs. 4, how can I communicate effectively with my outsourcing partners? Set clear goals and use tools like email or chat apps to stay in touch. Regular meetings can help everyone stay on the same page. Number 5, what if the quality of work is not what I expected? If the work isn't up to your standards, talk to your partner about it. You can set up a plan to fix issues and make sure it doesn't happen again. 6, are there any legal issues I need to worry about when outsourcing? Yes, you should know about laws related to contracts and data protection. Make sure your partners follow these rules to keep your business safe. In the description below, you will find a link to our favorite job board, Online Jobs. Hope this has been helpful. See you in the next video.